Welcome to the Band Saturator tutorial video. These instructions are for all the Band Saturator plugin range, from the free to the pro versions. Let's get straight into it. There are many options to sculpt your sound with this plugin. The first one we'll cover is the frequency knob, which covers the whole frequency spectrum. You can set the frequency parameter to the start frequency you want to begin saturating from. Bandwidth controls the width of the area you want to focus the saturation. You can see the bandwidth parameter working here. This is the area you are filtering. Now then, if you set it to pre-filter, then much more of the original sound will come through at the end. If you set it to post-filter, you get more of the filtered sound coming through at the end. The post-filter setting is good for making send presets, for example, and the pre-filter setting will give you more of a subtle saturation output. The resonance control adds a volume bump at the end of the filtering region, as you can see demonstrated here. The colored buttons at the bottom of the interface switch between the different saturation styles. You can switch around here in real time to hear what effect each saturation type has on your sound. Moving across to the drive control. This controls basically how much of the saturation you want to apply to your sound. Turn it right up to achieve a high level of saturation. The output gain knob adds volume to your sound on the way out. The mix knob controls how much of your original sound is mixed with the processed sound. 0% setting will mean that you only hear your original sound, and 100% setting means that you will only hear the sound that's been processed by the Band Saturator plugin. Hard and soft clipping settings are available. Clipping is turned off by default, so this feature has to be turned on in the settings. When you've turned it on, you can choose to apply hard or soft clipping to the saturated sound. Hard clipping clips the sound if it's over loud. This type of clipping may give you a harsher result compared to soft clipping. The preset functionality is pretty standard. You can save your own presets using this menu, and they will appear in the user submenu. In the non-free versions of Band Saturator, you will see an oversampling menu. Oversampling has a very positive effect on sound quality, but it does increase CPU usage, so be aware of that. There are 3 GUI sizes to choose from: full size 100%, 75% and half size 50%. The plugin remembers your GUI settings and oversampling settings the next time you open your project in the door, and for new instances of the plugin as well. I hope you've found this tutorial of how to use the Band Saturator plugin helpful.